A mass airflow (MAF) sensor is a critical component in modern vehicles that measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this data to the Engine Control Unit (ECU). The ECU uses this information to calculate the appropriate amount of fuel to inject into the engine. When the MAF sensor is not functioning correctly, it can lead to various issues with engine performance. Here are some common symptoms of a bad MAF sensor. Check engine light cell illumination. The most common and noticeable sign of a faulty MAF sensor is the illumination of the check engine light on the vehicle's dashboard. The ECU detects irregularities in the MAF sensor's data and triggers the cell to indicate a potential problem. Rough idle. A bad MAF sensor can cause the engine to experience a rough or erratic idle. You might notice the engine sputtering or shaking when idling, which can be more pronounced when the vehicle is stopped at a red light or in park. Engine stalling or hesitation. The engine may stall or hesitate during acceleration when the MAF sensor is providing inaccurate readings. This can result in a lack of power and poor acceleration performance. Decreased fuel efficiency. Since the MAF sensor helps the ECU calculate the proper air-to-fuel ratio, a faulty sensor can lead to an imbalance and cause the engine to consume more fuel than necessary. As a result, you may notice a decrease in fuel efficiency. Surging or lurching. Inconsistent MAF sensor readings can cause the engine to surge or lurch as you drive, especially at lower speeds or when maintaining a constant speed. Trouble starting the engine. A severely damaged MAF sensor might prevent the engine from starting altogether or make it challenging to start, as the ECU struggles to determine the correct fuel mixture. Reduced engine power. A bad MAF sensor can trigger the ECU to enter a limp mode, where engine power is significantly reduced to protect the vehicle from potential damage. This can be a safety feature to avoid further harm when the ECU receives abnormal MAF sensor readings. Black smoke from exhaust. An incorrect air-to-fuel ratio due to a malfunctioning MAF sensor can lead to excessive fuel being injected into the engine, resulting in black smoke coming from the exhaust pipe. It's important to note that while these symptoms are common indicators of a faulty MAF sensor, they can also be caused by other issues with the vehicle. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's best to have the vehicle identify the root cause of the problem.